Hello, if you're watching this video right now, you have shown interest in building a successful online business. My name is Jim Kaiser, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you my backstory and why it is that you should listen to me. Now, if you're brand new at this, I'm here to tell you that you are in the right place at the right time. I am going to shortcut you the years of wasted time and the pocket loads of wasted money that I have spent trying to build an online business. However, for most of us, the story is the same as it is for me. For me, this started 20 years back when I seen other people earning a living online, telling me that I could do it too. So I was buying books and tapes and videos and coaching, and all it was all teaching was theory on how this is possible. But it was left up to me to figure out how to put all the puzzle pieces in place, and I'm not real good at puzzles. What I needed was a step-by-step handheld training to get me to where I needed to be. And finally, 20 plus years later, I have found my final coach and mentor who has created a training that is just that. It is step by step by step. On day one, this is why you go do this, and you go do it. On day two, this is why you go do this, and you do it. On day three, this is why you do this, and you go do it. And in the end, you build yourself a sustainable, successful online business with a solid foundation to support you and your family for years to come. Now, the thing that interests me about the internet is it's near recession proof. You see, the whole world is not going to go into recession all at the same time. And even if they did, when somebody wants to buy something and you have what it is that they need, they're going to push the button and they're going to buy it. It's as simple as that. The other beautiful thing about the internet is it's got low cost startup. Unlike big franchises where you can do tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars to start a franchise, the internet is not that way. It's not going to be free. It's not push button and cash flies. That's not what it is. You do need to make two investments. One is your investment in time, okay? Because it takes time to learn this stuff and to build a successful business. The second investment is some money. We're not talking tens of thousands of dollars. This is very low startup. But like any other business, it does need tools. And there's no way around it. That stuff costs some money. But again, it's not a lot of money, which makes the internet so beautiful. And the best part about this entire business online is that if you're in the French Alps skiing, your business is online making money. When you're in bed sleeping, your business is still making money because not everybody around the world is in bed sleeping. Some of them are buying. Unbelievable. The internet is the most incredible thing that has come our way in ever. If you dig free training, give me a thumbs up on this page. Subscribe to this page. I will continue to upload free training videos for your education. There is a link below this video highlighted in blue. If you click that link, you can sign in for 2 hours of free training to see exactly how this whole thing works. This is incredible. If you are serious about building a sustainable, successful online business, click the link below. You're going to be glad you did. My name is Jim Kaiser. I value your time. I appreciate you. I will see you on the inside. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you found value.